What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We're back out here on the parking lot job that we've been following along, and I was going to give you guys a quick update. So I haven't been out here for about a week and a half because I've been out of town getting some footage for you guys out in Nebraska while seeing my folks. And so while I was gone, you can see there's been a fair amount of progress on our parking lot job here. They have finished the pipe job that we were helping out with when I was running the loader. That has all been backfilled, and obviously you can see the curb is in, and they've kind of rough graded stone. What they're working on today is actually getting dirt backed behind all of the curbs in the islands, and then they're going to start final grading stone here within the next couple of days. I think they're on schedule to pave sometime next week. But I did want to give you guys a quick update for people who have never seen pipe work before. As you remember, right behind all of this stuff right here was the manhole that we tied into. We brought our pipe out here. This was the first structure that these guys built. This is what it looks like at the end of the day. It's a manhole, or I should say it's a catch basin. The asphalt's actually going to come up to the level of the curb right here, so that water will run down the curb into the catch basin, and then it will go into that perforated plastic pipe that we were laying. And then the other manhole that they built that we didn't actually get to see is all the way at the end in that very back corner. And let's see if we can get the camera down here a little bit. You can kind of see there is a crown about halfway down this run. So half of that water is going, or half of the parking lot is going to run back towards us, and the other half is going to run back into that back corner. And that's how the drainage is set up on this job. So nothing too fancy today, but like I said, for those of you not familiar with what we were doing when we were putting in that pipe and building those manholes or the structures, this is what it looks like in the end. It just turns into a drain. So that's it. Nothing fancy. You guys enjoy your day, and we'll catch you on the next video. I'm gonna go get some video of these guys working, filling in these islands, and we'll make another video of that. So we'll catch you on the next one.